This video, I'm going to show you how you can make $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done-for-you digital business in a box. And you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing, which means you don't earn tiny commissions. You get to keep 100% of the profit with master resale rights. And all you have to do is just get started, set up your business one time, just like I did. Then you follow, and then you plug into our community for training and support, and then you're following it to our workday. So after your business is set up, all you need to do to build your business is basically post 3 pieces of content every single day on social media. You can post content on social media, you can go live. That's exactly what I do to build my business, and I've made multiple 5 figures so far. Now, of course, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort, so don't be typical. So that's all you got to do. I'm going to show you what this business looks like. I'm going to show you how it works, but basically you just got to set it up, you plug into the community, you follow the 2-hour workday. Okay, so if you want to learn more about it, just go to my website, 7figuremonk.com. The link is in the bio, the link is in the description. Okay, now let me share my screen with you and I'll show you exactly how this business looks, how it works. So we give you this sales funnel. Okay, you're gonna have a sales funnel. This is an automated sales process. This is how you make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. So I don't sugarcoat anything, right? Like if you want to make money online, like pretty much everything has to do with sales and marketing. Multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, which is what this is. This is e-commerce. You're selling things online. E-commerce, fulfilled by Amazon. You know, they all have to do with sales and marketing. The only thing that doesn't deal with sales and marketing is trading. Okay. So like when you, like if you want to sell, like no matter what, you got to sell something, right? So like, how are you going to sell things? There's 4 ways to do that. You can do paid ads. You can do warm outreach, which means you're bothering your friends and family. You can do cold outreach, which means you're bothering strangers. And then you can do free strategies, which we teach, like attraction marketing by posting content online. So that's what you're going to have to do for whatever business that you choose to do. You're going to have to do one of those things or all of those things. Okay. That's just how business works. So there's no side hustle out there. Like I'm talking about side hustles where you can get rich, right? Like I'm not talking about little crappy side hustles where you can just make $5 here, $10 here. I'm talking about side hustles that have the potential to make you rich, just like this one, because people have become rich with this side hustle. We've created over 100 6-figure income earners. Okay. So what happens is people go here, they go to your capture page, then they're putting their email in. Now this is all created for you. We give you the templates and you can edit them however you want. Like here's my picture, you put your picture in. So they go here, they put their email in, then they go and they watch a video. Okay. And the video is doing the selling for you. And then there's another video. So these 2 videos are doing the selling for you. And then it takes them to the website. Okay. And this is where they can buy one of the products. Like you can just go to my website, go to the link in my bio, and you can check it out for yourself. So this is the website, what it looks like, right? They buy one of these 5 different digital products in English or in Spanish. So it allows you to make $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions. And you can see here, you earn 100% profit. It's a done for you digital business. Okay. So how would an extra $1,400 a day change your life? That's $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. Now, if you can conceive it, if you can see yourself making that kind of money and you believe it, then you can achieve it. But if you can't see it and you don't believe it, then you can't achieve it. That simple. We have over 56,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And this is what sets us apart from other opportunities out there, is like we earn 100% profit per sale. Okay. And then you get like, you become a licensed reseller, right? And then it's in Spanish and English. Okay. So you can check out the website yourself. I'm not going to read everything, but like people can go here and they can purchase one of the products. There's payment buttons all over the website. So they can purchase the 1,400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. And also if you want to start this business, you purchase one of the programs and then you have immediate access to everything. Okay. You get a done for you digital business in a box, but you can only earn at the level that you're at. Okay. So if you're at the $1,400 level, you can earn at that level and every level below. If you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level. And if you want, but you can upgrade at any time. Okay. So, yep. And then you get all these bonuses. You get access to our community, thousands of dollars of bonuses. Okay. You can check out the bonuses. Just go to my website. You can check out the bonuses. You get like faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas, things like that. You get all these different bonuses. So that's basically what the website is. Okay. That's the website. So what happens is people put their email in, they go through your sales funnel. This is an automated sales process. That's how you make money in your sleep. And then we give you emails. Okay. So you're going to have these emails that are being sent out to people, right? Like we give you 30 emails. You see, These are done for you emails. These emails were created by 7-figure income earners. Okay. So they're proven to convert. This whole system is proven to convert, right? And you just go in, you edit the emails, you put your link, you put your personalized link inside of the emails. And these emails are following up with people for you. So you don't have to call people. You don't have to cold message people. Okay. Now, let's say you want to get started with this business. Like I said, you purchase a program, you pay your website fee, 0 monthly fees, and then you have immediate access. Okay. So what are we selling? Digital programs in the e-learning industry. They teach you how to build an online business. They teach you digital marketing, and they teach you how to build multiple streams of income. Okay. So you're going to have access here. Once you purchase the program, you're going to have access to your program. And here's your program, right? You just go through, you watch all the videos, you learn. The program itself teaches you how to make 7 figures online. Okay. That's what the program teaches. So you watch all the videos. Okay. And you implement, you learn and you implement. Okay. You don't want to just learn, because knowledge is half the battle, right? Like G.I. Joe, you learn and you implement. Okay. Then you have your certification training here. You have your bonuses here. And this shows you how to set up your website, right? Like you got to set up these pages. You got to set up your sales funnel, your website. So this shows you how to set it up. It shows you what accounts you need to open, like GoDaddy, System, like PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, shows you how to set up. Like one of the first things you got to do is go to GoDaddy and you got to get your domain. Like my domain is 7figuremonk.com. You got to get your domain, and you got to get a professional email address. Okay. So we show you how to get that at GoDaddy. And then you just got to attach your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal, whatever you want to attach. You attach it to your website. Okay. And then it just shows you, you just watch all these videos, and it shows you how to set everything up. Okay. It shows you how to set these pages up, and you can set it up in a few hours. It took me a few hours to set up the pages, right? So you can have your business set up in like 1 to 2 days, right? You definitely could. So that's it. That's the products. This is where your products are. That's where the website is. Yeah. Now let me show you inside of our community. That's my community, actually. Oh, yeah, these are both my communities. You can also join my community for free, so I can help you build your business inside of my community. And then we have a big community as well. We have this community. Okay. We have 57,000 people inside of our community, right? And once you join the community, you just introduce yourself. Okay. Ask questions, right? Let me show you wins. Here's a win section. Okay. Now this is proof that people are making money. People can post whatever they want to post, right? Like whatever they want to post. So look at her win. Like, what is her win? She went live. That's her win. Okay, here's his win. He made a $900 sale. Just made $900 sale. Okay, that's his win, right? her win is she went live for 28 minutes. That's her win. So look at everyone. Everyone's like supporting her. You see, we have positive vibes in our community. You have to be positive. We don't allow negativity inside of our community. It's not allowed. Okay. $700 in less than 24 hours. And she's from South Africa. This is a global business. You can get customers from any part of the world. Okay. Any part of the world. Okay. She made 900, her first big win, 900. Okay. So there you go. There's your proof. There's your real-time proof. And we have thousands of pages of wins. We literally have 30,000 pages of wins. Now, if you go inside of our community, okay, here's our community. We have more training, bonus training inside of the community. So not only do you get training inside of the program, but you get training in the community, like 6 figures in 6 months, social media training, content vault. You get all this extra additional training. And then the calendar shows you when we have live events. Like every Monday we have Millionaire Mentoring. It's live, it's interactive. And we have some other live events going on. We got mindset training going on. Okay. Because mindset's very important. Like 95% of success with this business or any other business is mindset. Because the things that we do is like simple. We just post content, right? That's not hard. A child can do this. It's not complicated. The rest is just like mindset. Okay. So like I said, just go to 7figuremonk.com. It's spelled like this with the 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Just go there, check out the information. If you see an opportunity, get started. And like I said, you get started and you set up your business, you plug into the community, you post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Like for example, you can post a 7-second video with words on the screen. Okay, that's one piece of content, right? Another piece of content could be like a 30-second to a minute video where you're just talking. Okay, and sometimes you can do value posts. Like I like to do like a business post where I'm talking about my business, like this business. Like I'm just promoting the business. Or the other post I'll do is like a value post. Maybe I'm giving somebody some marketing tips or some business tips, mindset tips. So I like to do like for every 2 business posts, I'll do like a value post, something like that. It's good to mix it up, because if you're always doing business posts, then people might like look at you as like, being like spammy or something, right? So you want to mix it up. And then you just want to create curiosity. It's easy to create curiosity with this business because you just got to talk about like, hey, you earn 100% profit. The business is automated. You can make money in your sleep. There's a 2-hour workday and you can earn $1,400 commissions. That's going to create curiosity, right? You create curiosity, you attract people to you, and you build your email list. It's really simple to do. It's not complicated. So you can sell anything, but you still got to do the same thing, right? You can sell physical products or digital products, right? If you're selling physical products, you still got to market. You still got to create curiosity about your product, right? Like if I'm selling, like I used to sell a green drink, so I'll have to create curiosity about that. Like, hey, check out this green drink. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to give you more energy. You're going to love it. So it's like I can market whatever. Doesn't matter what it is. You still got to market. You still got to talk about it. You still got to promote it. You still got to give value. Okay. You just got to choose which industry you want to be in. I like this industry because it's $1 billion a day industry. I like the wealth industry because I like studying wealth. I like helping people make money. Like the wealth industry, the health industry, the relationship industry. Choose which one do you want to do, but you got to do it. So you got to take action. I don't care what business you're doing. You got to take action or you're not going to make any money and then you're going to die broke. That's just the reality. Okay. So let me show you like how I post content, for example. See on my YouTube channel, I'll do business posts and I'll do value posts. Like I do here, I have a lot of value posts. This post that I'm doing right now, it's a business post. I'm promoting the business. And then so I do a variety of value and I do a variety of business. And then I do short form videos, same thing. It's a variety of value and it's a variety of business. Okay. And I have little 7-second videos. Okay. Like we teach you how to do all of this stuff. Then I go live as well. I go live on TikTok. I go live on YouTube. My lives are saved. And then I do posts like this, like written posts, like value posts. Yeah. Value posts, business posts. Same thing. It's business and value, business and value. That's what you're posting, right? Business and value. Okay. So I showed you everything. If you want to learn more, just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link is in the bio. Put your email in, check your spam, check your promotions folders for the word blueprint, and then check out the information. There's a PDF that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. It's a Freedom Formula blueprint. There's videos you can watch. And if you see an opportunity, just get started because success loves speed, money loves speed. So just take action. And otherwise, just, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just let me know because I'm here to help you. Like I'm on a mission to create 1,000 self-made millionaires. So I'm here to help you make 7 figures online without having to work a job. Now all you have to do, you don't need experience to do this, but you need to take action. Okay. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching and God bless.